Hey, check this out. Let me turn the light on. Hold on. But it's a bird butt. Miss Fred will not leave my head. And I know it rhymes. It's weird. But it just happens to rhyme too. Look at her. She's preening my head. She said, poor mom, I'm not going to leave you. I'm always with you. I will always be right on top of your head, mom. Okay, so yes, I feel completely strange, and this is only like the second or third day, and no, I don't feel good. Oh no, I'm scared. I'm by myself, and I'm scared to take a detox fast by myself. After this, I don't know what's gonna happen, what the reaction's gonna be. I have no clue. To make it even more funny, you should see the roads out there. I mean, like, they're all ice. Oh, ice. Like, it's not even safe to get medication. Man, I would never even ask for anybody to. No, no, those roads are unsafe. And then, oh gosh, the slammer comes. Here we go with the slam of the day. I find out that no, my kids did not listen again. And what did they do? What did they do? They were told to take the bus because it is more safe than a new driver on the roads. And they get in the car and they drive to school anyway. Are they trying to kill me? I mean, come on. I love my kids. This is why I'm fighting in the first place. And they want to pull some stupid stuff like that. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? So yeah, Miss Fred knows. Miss Fred, by the way, I did not name her. She was named by some people who had some extreme alcohol issues. So much, in fact, that they didn't even know that. I'm sorry. I feel so weird. Oh, they didn't know. They did not know. The boy birds do not lay eggs. So they were adamant about naming her Fred. It's so Fred on my head. Like Dr. Seuss. I sound like Dr. Seuss. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Oh, yeah, with a bird on my head. Yeah, she's saying, Mom, I understand. I'm gonna get you through it. I will. I'll do my best. I'm just hoping that she doesn't poop right on my head. Because it's happening. It's gonna happen any minute where she's just gonna blast me with some awful stuff. Oh, what a goodness. Yeah, this will make me just stupid. And the scary thing is I know what's happening. Kinda. I'm not gonna say I know all the way. I'd be stupid to say that. But I, what's going on is right now, the very beginning stages of this process that I'm going through, as I understand it, all of my cells are currently being broken down. So, in a literal sense, I am experiencing death. and it's very hard to explain, but you can research it. Um, yeah, I mean, my heart even feels warm, like it's scary, you know, it is, and well, that's why I have Fred on my head. And I need I need love from anything I can get right now, especially my pets that I consider my family. And yes, if my when I lose my pets, I will be getting a cat. And I don't care what anybody says. My cat will never go outside. My cat will never be exposed to fleas or ticks. No way. Oh, no, no. And it will not be a service dog. No. It will be a service cat that I can snuggle with. And yeah, I need that. I do. Because there's just not much more scary than to, well, it's, to me, it helps me to understand why I'm feeling so weird. But it's also awful to know that, in a literal sense, I am dying right now. And it's like rebooting a computer, kinda. And so first, gotta shut down. And then, gotta start up. And so far, that's really all I know. And I wish I could have that cat right now. I really do. I would give so much to have that cat. But I need to take care of my birds. And right now that's not easy either. I'm out of bird seed too. And it's like I can't keep a thought. I thought it was bad before. Oh wow. So yeah, I am absolutely waiting for my kids to get home before I take an Epsom bath. I'm not doing this without anybody around. No way. I would have to be the biggest idiot. I mean, being so brand new, and no, it just does not feel like a good idea with the slick roads and just factoring everything in. I can think a lot better in so many ways than people would imagine, and I'm not saying give me credit for, because right now I can't really pull up the words that I'm looking for. So, what? And I already forgot what I was saying to you. So whatever you got out of it, if it made sense, just please try to understand that at root I am a good person, and I do have a tremendous love for people, not just myself. Man, come on. I'm not that worthy. No, I'm not that worthy. So, you guys have a good day. Well, I have a birdie on my head and hoping that she just doesn't poop right on me in my hair. Because that will create a bigger problem, man. I just don't need it. But, I mean, she can, I mean, the animals, they always know. I mean, ask a cancer patient, ask anybody with Lyme. And many of us need our animals. We need our animal friends. They are unconditional. They are loving. They are comforting, and they're beautiful. So yeah, people call me crazy because I have furs. But they call me crazy for anything now. I could like be eating an apple and somebody at some place is gonna be call me crazy at some point or another. If, especially on YouTube. It's not like I'm not aware of that either, but you're gonna see my face until I get rid of it, and then after I get rid of it, don't you know, I will join in the march. Yes, I will, absolutely, on no profit. I I desire to become a researcher, and I know I can do that. So, ooh, let me live, God, please let me live. And that's not even the half of it. I have a lot of things to offer this world. A lot of people. I have things to offer you. So anyway, this is weird. It is. But let's see the progress. How about that? Let's see what happens every single day. Let's see what happens. It'll be interesting. I love you guys. Bye.